Hey, I'm Jack, and we're going to talk about how to build a relationship with leads, specifically professionals, during the pandemic. And how are we going to do that? We're going to use simple tools to find leads over the internet. We're going to use a Webscraper, a pixel tracker, and a microtargeter. And the professionals we're going to target are CPAs. And we have to define success, and how I define success is 30% of the people we emailed looked at the email and 1% bought the product. And I'm considering me, I'm the product. I want a specific tax job with certain parameters. You want to drive more sales during the pandemic. Well, how we're going to do that, we're going to make simple and efficient tools. We're going to use a web scraper, a pixel tracker, and a microtargeter. The web scraper, all a web scraper is, it just crawls websites for emails. A pixel tracker tracks if emails are opened and the location of those opened. And after we have that information, we're going to use a microtargeter, which is just Google Ads, but Google Ads allow us to drill down into the specifics of what we're looking for. And how I'm going to use a microtarget is I'm going to geofence Atlanta, specifically the county, because our pixel tracker gives us that information. We're going to key phrase. My key phrase is tax in section 482. And I'm going to age restrict 30 to 65. And with that, that's how we're going to find you're going to get your leads.